Alrighty. Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to Blazing Sky. Johnny here. I get to ride the Talaria to work today. Yay! Kinda cold. 51 degrees. Fahrenheit, of course. Okay, yeah, let's ride. Alright, y'all. A couple things to talk about, I guess. But yeah. Glad to be back out on the road. And what I want to talk about today, guys, is while I'm on the way to work, this might be the last time you guys see me riding to work. So the owners of the building, my boss, they are downsizing, which means the building that I work in will be sold off, and I will be losing my job at the end of the year. That's just what it is. And you know, my wife and I, we own our own business, so we'll be all right. We're hustlers, and we've already got a few things lined up for us already. So I'm excited for that. Y'all, don't be bummed for us. It's good times, good times. It's just a new chapter in our life, I guess. I've been there for nearly 3 years. I have a great boss. I've never worked for anyone like that. I kind of was able to make my own work schedule as well. You know, they gave me the flexibility, gave me a lot of time off when I needed it. You know, so I'm able to work and run a business as well. My wife, she is a graphic designer, Sky's Graphic Design. Y'all may have heard of her. But we also do our Smoky Bites hickory wood smoked snacks. And we're at the Lawton Farmers Market every Saturday. We've been doing that for over a year now. We have our products in about 9 retail locations locally. But we're all right. We're all right. And don't forget, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. We are giving away a half-shell DOT approved motorcycle helmet at the moment. And once we get to 500, we'll go ahead and let that go. But please stay tuned, because we will be giving away more stuff like e-bikes or maybe other things, cameras even. Who knows? Just stick with us along our journey. Check out everything we got going on our two-wheeled adventures. You know, after I buy my next e-bike, which is probably gonna be the Altis Sigma, guys, my wife and I, we were thinking about going back into gas biking too. So have it all, the whole fleet. And we won't just get one, we'll get a couple of them so we can ride together. And that's one of the reasons why she sold the bike in the first place. She didn't like riding alone. A lot of people don't like riding alone. I like riding whether it's alone or not. I just saw Albert. Well, I'm just scooting along traffic here, guys. I hope y'all are still with me. Is this thing still recording? Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Good, y'all haven't gone anywhere yet. I guess they finally fixed it in the firmware update. Yay. It was really frustrating. This thing kept on turning off on me, like randomly too. It's not like at set times at like every 5 minutes or anything like that. It'll be 2 minutes in, 9 minutes in, it'll cut off randomly. And I lose a lot of good footage because I don't realize that it's cut off yet. until a little later. What do y'all think about the Broncos? I love the Broncos. Like, I think I'd rather get one of those over a Jeep. Have y'all seen the Raptor models? Beefy as heck. Oh, okay, this guy's jamming. Normally I'd be jamming too if I was on like a sport bike or something, because it's just so loud. But this thing's so quiet, I can hear my thoughts, I can talk. Otherwise you guys would hear me singing or rapping or something. It's just, I think it'd be weird. Or maybe not. Maybe you guys are into that kind of thing. Alright guys, I'm almost at work. And don't be sad if this is the last time you guys see this place. I'm here. Woo-wee. Fluffy's Apothecary, y'all. Might be the last time. And the quick stop. You know. Alright, y'all. See, look, this place is already emptying out. Alrighty, y'all. Just got off work. Getting ready to head home. Y'all know the drill. Let me take y'all around here real quick. Look, y'all get a good look at Fluffy. Yeah. Say goodbye to this place, y'all. Alright, going around the back now. Out here to the Apothecary side. Yeah. Say goodbye to all this, y'all. Fluffy is a big name here in Lawton, Oklahoma. It really is. And it's been around for many years. 30 plus years, I would say. Hold on, let me get to riding, y'all. Yeah, so the place started out as a Hardee's. You know, the quick stop wasn't even there. The gas pumps weren't there. After Hardee's, it became a Carl's Jr. And then they added on the quick stop side. They added all those gas pumps. And then after Carl's Jr., it actually became the liquor store. And at the time, where the liquor store is now, that place used to be a club or something, from what I understand. And then once that closed down, they bought that building and opened up the liquor store across the street. And before the Apothecary, after the liquor store, it became a Blimpies. After Blimpies, it became the Apothecary, aka dispensary. So now it's all over, guys. It's all over. It's just gonna be the liquor store over there. Quick stop and dispensary are no more. But like I said, guys, it's not the end. It's kind of cold out here. "45 degrees, oh my gosh. I should put my goggles on. Can I see? Can't see. Okay, my goggles are on and it's kind of dark. But hey, it'll help me stop crying out here, man. I got tears rolling down my face, man. What the hell? Why is this guy crying on the bike? He should be happy. He should be having fun. guy trying to race? Kind of cold, you know. Yeah, it's kind of cold, y'all. I need to layer up some more. Oh, it's really dark down this street, y'all. Especially with the goggles on. Oh man. Oh, well, I'm almost home, guys. It's always a journey to get home, even though it doesn't even take that long, guys. But hey, if you've made it this far, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you can be entered in our giveaway, which is a half-shell DOT approved motorcycle helmet. Alrighty guys, until the next one, I guess